Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be going through blogging, how to edit a blog and how to write a blog. You will have access to this feature only if you are on our business plan. I'm now at the dashboard of the website, logged in into my editor account. To look at all your blog posts, go to Posts. All right, from here, you'll be able to see all the different blog posts. And if you go to your website under blog, you'll see all your blog posts as well. Okay, I have 4 here and I will have 4 here. All right. Now, let's delete one of the blog posts. To delete the blog post, you can click on trash. Okay. Now it's moved to trash. Now, if I were to refresh, look, now I only have 3 blog posts left. Okay. To remove it from trash, you go to trash. You can either restore it, which I'm doing, or delete it permanently. Let's restore this. Let's go to all. Okay, look, even if you restore it, right, look, there only is 3 posts. The reason is all restored posts will be under draft status, so meaning it's not published yet. Okay, to publish this, click on edit. Right now, the status is draft. All you have to do is click on publish. Publish. And now it's published. Let's go back to the blog page, refresh the page. And now you have 4 posts. Now, let's go back to the post page by clicking on the icon. Now, let's try to edit a post. Let's say this post over here, capturing audience attention. Okay, if I go to my blog, it will be this post, capturing audience attention. Okay, for blog, there will always be 2 pages, meaning if you go to the blog itself, this would be an overview page of all the blogs that you have. Okay, and if you click inside, it will be the actual blog post itself. Okay, now at the top over here, this is the category. Let's say this is categorized under news. This is not categorized, these 2, and this is not categorized as well. Okay, let's say for example, I will want to change this category. I want to change this category so that if I click news, all of the blog posts on news would show up, or let's say uncategorized. Okay, all of the blog posts under the 3 blog posts under uncategorized will show up. Okay, so this is what categories are. Now let's edit this. For example, mastering the first impression. Let's put this as under categories. Let's set this, instead of uncategorized, let's set it to news. So I click on news, I uncheck uncategorized, and I save it. Now, if I refresh, look, this one is changed now to news. And if I click on news, all the articles under news, under the category news, will now show. You can also add new categories. Okay, so let's say you want more categories right now. You can add on new category, add new category. For the category name, let's put it to DIY, for example. Okay, I want to create a category called DIY. I type in DIY and then I press enter on my keyboard. Okay, now it's DIY. Okay, let's uncheck news, save it. Let's refresh this, and now it's DIY. Okay, of course, I can also have two categories. Refresh. Now it's under both DIY and news. Now let's edit the actual post. Let's go to all posts. Let's say I want to edit this post, okay? Capturing audience attention. How I can go into the editing menu? I can either click on edit, okay? This is the full content, or I can click on the post itself, visit the website, click on the post itself, and then click on edit post. It will bring me to the same location. From here, let's say I would like to change the heading, change introduction, save it. I view the post, and now it's changed. It's the same like editing the content on your website. Let's say I want to add an image. Okay, I'll click on this blue plus icon. I'll find the image block and drag it to the content. Okay, then I will choose it from the media library or upload it. Let's say I want this image. Select, save. Let's refresh this. And now the image is here. Okay, to delete the image, click on the three dots and delete. Right? So to edit any text, right, all you have to do is to highlight the text and then type the editing on your keyboard. Save it. Let's go to the blog and refresh the page. Okay, I've removed the image and I've written some gibberish here. Okay, and that's how you edit the blog. On the blog, there is also a featured image. Okay, the featured image is the main image for your blog. For example, so for this, it will be this image, and for this blog, it will be this image. To edit the featured image, click on post if you're not there yet, and then over here, the image, you can replace it. Let's say I replace it with the mountain image. Set featured image, save, refresh, and now it's changed to the mountain. On the blog overview page as well, if I refresh it, it's now changed to the mountain. Now let's try adding a new blog post. To add a new blog post, I can either go to post, add new post, or I can go to new at the top, post. All right. First thing, you have to add a blog title. So I'll just name it blog title. Okay. Let's publish this and see what it does. Let's view the post. It's just like that, a blog title, no category, no content. And if I were to go to my blog page, the blog overview page, this is the one. Okay, no image, no excerpt, nothing. Yeah, it's just this. All right, now let's add some content to it. Okay, first things first, let's close panel, set a featured image. Let's set it to the construction guys. Set featured image. So you can either select the featured image from the media library, or you can upload a new one. Okay, save it. Now let's see. Let's refresh the blog page. Okay, this one is the actual blog itself. Okay, the image is here. And on the blog page, the image is here as well. Now let's set the category. I scroll it down. This one, I'll set it as DIY. Okay, save it. Refresh. Now the category is DIY. Yeah, the category is changed to DIY. Okay, now let's add some content. To add content, let's say right now I want to add a heading. I'll click on this blue plus at the top left hand corner. Heading. Okay, and then after the heading, I would like to add some content. So content as in text. So to have a text, you just have to type. Just click and type. This is a text. And this is a heading. Save. Let's look at the page. This is a heading. This is a text. Okay, refresh. This is a heading. This is a text. That's the content. All right. So if you want to make the heading smaller, okay, you go to style, typography. Let's say I'll change this to 20 pixel or 24 pixel. Because right now I find this too big. Okay. Go to style and then I change it to 24 pixel. I save it. I refresh this and now it's smaller. Okay. And it's the same thing. Basically, if you want to add more text, you just have to type more text. And then now I want to add a heading. I click on the blue icon, add a heading. For this heading, I change this to 24 pixels as well. This is my second heading. Enter. I put some text. I put some more text. I put some more text. What else can I put? Let's say I want to put an image. Okay, I can click on the image. I select one from my media library, or if you want, you can upload this image, save it. Let's view the post. Okay, I have the image. And that's how you add a new post.